Hello guys and welcome everyone. Hatman for Projection back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you the second video about my shoes Columbia. Actually guys, I decided to do this video to show everyone what is the right, what is the left, should you not buy and everything. I will tell you about my opinion about this Colombian boots after 1 month, actually I'm 2 months and a half using it, okay? I use it in the tough weather, extremely -25, cold, snow, ice, and everything. And I'm gonna tell you my opinion with completely honest. If you know my channel, I never lie. About the boots, they are great as finishing, as material. I don't have anything to complain about. Okay, only one bad point. I'll tell you about it now. These shoes are great, are nice. Sorry, boots are great, are nice. The quality is great. He's so warm in winter. You know, to tell me that you're gonna feel cold in this boots, forget it. Just wear any normal winter socks and go on -45. I challenge you, -45, you're never gonna feel anything in your legs. Not like any other boots I ever tried, okay? It's safety, so tough from front, you feel that it's safety, and he's comfortable. Guys, you know, I went to Midtown and I walk, do you know how much? I walk 12 kilo. From metro to here, to there, to store, to Apple store, to Samsung, to here, to gym. Guys, I walked to like almost 12 kilo, okay? I didn't feel tired at all. This is really so beautiful. But there is only one point. He's slippery. And this is what shocked me, you got me? I didn't believe, guys, Colombia, how? Guys, I tried. It's slippery. Listen. In snow, in normal snow, you know, snow when it's like powder, you know, like salt, he looks still not melted, you got me? Still not become ice. He's not slippery, okay? I can't believe that Columbia and Michelin, the two biggest companies in the world, I mean, Michelin, you're creating wheels for Bugatti. How could they create this one? And see, it's like car, even, look, it's like wheels. Look, it's so, you know, when I do my hand now, it's almost my skin will out. And see here, and all this advertisement, to be honest with you guys, it's completely bullshit. He's slippery like any other normal shoes. You know guys, I try it, and I mean many times here, I'm in Ukraine at the moment, and many times here I pass in the streets, the snow become ice, you know, it's start to rain a little bit and it's become surface ice, you know, soft. I go beside my wife, you know, she wear normal boots in her legs, Ukrainian made. She sneeze, I also sneeze like her. And she told me, how's this bullshit? I mean, where is you bought, it's Columbia, it's 2018, the latest model, and it's here, it's catch, you know, really when you put your hand here, it's like you really put yourself in winter wheels for car. It's see my skin of my hand, how it's slippery so much. Guys, it's too much slippery. You know, I fall down on my hand here. You know, I fall down on the ground, I fall down like this, okay? I slept from stairs, you know, and stairs I go down to, and I slept away, and I fall down on my back, and my hand until now has hurt me. Oh, yeah, see when I do like this, is here. I not went to box now for 2 years, I didn't go to, 2 weeks, sorry, I didn't go to boxing. See, my hand is banded. Even my Apple Watch, it's she done fall detection, you got me? When I fall down, my Apple Watch did she say, should we call the emergency? Because I sat down the number, but my wife was beside me. I fall down on my ass and my back, it's hurt, but guys, it's so slippery. I'm not believing this. How Columbia, the greatest company like this, do not believe all this shit. I'm telling you, guys, it's comfortable, it's stylish, it's safety, it's warm, but it's too goddamn slippery. You know, if you think that you're in ice, you are better than any other, you know, like I have Chinese boots before, they was trash, okay? I guess they are not slippery so much like this boot. I mean, he's slippery like any other normal shoes, you got boots, you got me? He's slippery. Like you wear, I didn't believe that I'm wearing Columbia now. I mean, I'm so much slippery like this. I can't even walk. Too much slippery. I mean, you guys, you know, even some areas it's not that iced. You know, some areas it's a little bit ice and covered by normal wet snow. You understand me? Also it's slippery. Also I slipper, about to fall down. Like any other normal, even Chinese boots. This is my opinion about it, guys. Okay, this is too shame from Apple to do this. Sorry, from Colombia, and from Michelin also. Guys, I spent $200 on these boots. Okay, except delivery. I don't care about the money, but I expect that I will not slipper. I will not gonna slipper in these boots. But to be honest with you, I'm shocked. Anyway, whatever. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on other videos. Please put your thumbs up, and if you don't like my speech, put your thumbs down or put thumbs in the middle, as you wish. And see you again in other videos with another complaints and objection about anything is not nice in this world. Guys, I will not hide about you anything. Even this Asus router, it's not that beautiful. It's not. I have full of issues. One time Wi-Fi bottom work. One time Wi-Fi bottom. I see this is Wi-Fi 2.5G. One time it's not work, and I put it brand new. God damn it, there is nothing perfect in this world. I wish to know. I bought iPhone Max, I'm not satisfied. I have issues. I bought router gaming, is not work. I bought boots. I spend money, I right and left, and I not reach the satisfaction that I should have. Why everything have not complete? Why is like, why before creation was better, I guess so. Cars was better, everything. Now you hear, Toyota have issues, APM have issues. This is Apple have full, iPhone Max full of issues. This watch, this thing, I can't understand. Where's the perfection? You know, the perfection only for the God creation. To be honest with you, only God have the perfection. All this is bullshit. And what is this tunes doing here, please? Oh my God, this is tunes. Yeah, in Ukraine here we have so beautiful roads. I wish that you come visit our roads. Even Hammer H3 cannot walk. She will scream. So guys, thanks, and see you again in other videos. Bye, and peace and love for everyone, and a lot of money for everyone I wish to.